lovely people, how are you this morning, afternoon, evening? I don't know where you are. My very good name is Christabel and this is Doing Life with Chris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel we grow, we create memories, we cook, and we experience life together, and and we are here for all of it. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you can see a lot of things on my counter. It is because I have a lot of things to make. Today is Saturday. Saturdays we prep for the breakfast of the coming week, and today is a special Saturday because we are going to visit our friends. And so what I want to do is double everything I wanted to make today so that I can make a breakfast package for our friends. You get it? So I wanted to make challah bread. I will show you the process because, oh my God, I am in a love affair with challah bread. It is so amazing. It is this bread that is so rich and so intense in terms of flavor and in terms of even visually. You will just see it. I don't need to send greetings where I am going. So I will make challah bread. Okay, of course, behind me you can see that I had already started on my list for the day. That is banana bread. If you have not checked out that video, it is already up on my channel. Please go and check it out. That is why I didn't take the process of that. Then here I have already prepared carrot cake. I want that bread to cool down a bit so that I can reuse one of those things to make my carrot cake. And then here I have this bowl that holds 8 cups of oats. Again, I want to make granola. That video is already up on my channel, so guys, please go over there and check all those videos out because I give you the most amazing recipes and so hands-free and so easy to make our breakfast iconic. So here also I have prepared meat. This is meat for meat pie. I am yet to prepare the dough. I was ready to make it, but then I realized I put my my goodness, the devil. I had put my margarine in the freezer last night because my freezer was off so that I can use it in the morning, but then I forgot to take it out. And so now it is completely crystallized. I don't know what to do. I am running so out of time because I had purposed to be very on time today. Yes guys, I struggle with tardiness and it is something that I am truly working towards. It's a vice I really want to kick out of my life. So I don't know whether we'll be able to do it. It's around 11:30. So I want to very quickly prepare that dough for my challah bread. I wanted to make cookies because I have chocolate chips. Hello guys, I have chocolate chips. So I wanted to make chocolate chip cookies. But I am not quite sure at this point whether that is being very over ambitious. I think it is, but we'll see. My son is so super duper excited for that. I don't want to let him down. So we'll see how it pans out. So here I need 8 cups. 8 cups of flour. 6 and 8. I'm supposed to use 4 eggs, but I'm going to use 3 eggs because I don't like a very eggy bread. You know that taste, overwhelming taste of eggs. I don't like it. And I have not sieved my flour today because time. But please make it a habit of sieving your flour. Yes, 1 whole tablespoon of salt. Also make it a habit of breaking your eggs in a separate bowl. A whole cup of oil. I will put in my yeast. I think I'll go with a 1/3 cup of sugar. Oh my goodness. Once the dough comes together, the shaggy dough, I'm going to incorporate 1 whole cup of raisins. Leave it at that. The only thing that we need to do is brush this bowl with a little bit of oil And then take my kitchen cloth and just cover it and put it in a warm corner. I think my warmest corner at this point is the cook stove because I am using the oven. Out of this whole juu taksi yangu inaweza panda kwa sababu ya kubakisha kitu hapa. Sitaki mashida. Pour in my carrot cake. Bien. We'll make the cookies now.
Finally.
Time for our chocolate chip cookies. Ooh. Taste it. We just might make it, guys. We just might make it. So in my oven, my granola is ready. I want to get it out of the oven right about now. My carrot cake is almost ready. I'll give it about 10 minutes for it to get out of the oven. And here I had already started measuring up my chocolate chip cookie ingredients. So here I have 2 1/4 cups of flour. I have added 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then I have added 1 whole teaspoon of baking soda, and then also I have half a teaspoon of salt. Then here I have I have used a 1/3 cup of caster sugar. If you do not have caster sugar, use your table sugar, let me call it that. Ile ya chai, just use that. And then I have a 1/3 cup also of brown sugar. So here I want to add 1 egg into it, and 1 egg yolk. So here I have my yolk, and also here I have about 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. I should mix this until all the lumps from the brown sugar break up. 15 ml of vanilla essence.
I can eat them.
No, put here. You may eat.
Can I have scissors?
Yes. My cookie dough is ready. So I am going to start shaping my meat pies.
There's something weird. You see this thing, and this one. This one has this thing, so it can hold itself, but this one doesn't have. So I think they scammed you.
Next. Do you know what next is?
Yes.
Do you know?
I mean,
I don't think you know.
oh, chocolate chip cookies.
Bring that.
Huh? Can you show me? You scoop it, then you make it into a ball. Okay. Me. Again, a chocolate chip fell. A chocolate chip fell.
That is not falling. You're literally picking them from the bowl.
If one falls from the door, I pick it up and eat it. One bit. Another one bit. Another one bit.
I don't think you're playing fair.
What do you mean? This is a perfect ball?
That's too tiny.
Okay. If it's totally. Is this a good scoop?
That's too big.
Oh my gosh.
There's no pleasing me.
Is this perfect?
What do you want me to say?
Is this perfect?
Okay, just make it.
Oh,
There is our gift number 1. We are ready to leave. Cindy or Fabian?
yeah.
Come here. Tell us what is in this basket.
Dance, dance, my boy there.
So here we have breakfast cookies, we have granola, we have chocolate chip cookies, there's a carrot cake, there is this banana bread, and we have meat pies, and last but not least, our challah breads. 2 of them are looking amazing.